Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. I will show you how to make easy and travel poster design in Canva. Let's get started. First, import the image into Canva. Since I have already imported the image, I'll add it. Then, I'll make the image full size. After that, click on the image and duplicate it, placing it exactly in the middle. Next, go to the Elements tab, search for an airplane image, and add it. You can also search for it if needed. Increase the size of the airplane image and place it in the middle. Then, click on the Share option, followed by Download, and then click Download again. Once the download is complete, go to the Elements tab and add a city image. Next, add the downloaded image and make it full size. Then, go to the Edit Image option. If you have Canva Pro, click on BG Remove to remove the background of the image. After the background is removed, click on BG Remove again. Then go to the Editing options and click on the Restore button. Increase the brush size to around 100% and go to the canvas. Here, you can restore any area according to your needs. I'll restore this part. Finally, you can see the final result of this image. If you like this tutorial,